Welcome to this week's episode of Car Club with me, Mosam Tomene, coming to you from the Mahem Oval Raceway here in Pretoria. Racing is not just about long straights and tight corners, but it's also about the mental and physical contest between drivers and the oval track, where all of this is happening right in front of the audience. Now, this raceway is legendary amongst lovers of the sport. Some regulars give us a masterclass on oval track racing.
I'm from Joburg, racing since 1996. We practice my son's car tonight. Tomorrow is a race for him, so we can see if we can get it a little bit quicker.
On a night like tonight, we are here to get the times better, and my responsibility is to get my lines better for tomorrow's event.
I'm the mechanic tonight, so I race myself most of the time, but tomorrow I'm not racing, so we concentrate on him tomorrow. I own my own workshop for race cars. The name is FMJ Racing Workshop, so I just maintain race cars and build them for a living, and I love what I'm doing.
I'm Charlie Baird, and I'm here to support my son, Carly Baird, which is racing tomorrow. We always come as a family to practice or to race days together. We've always been my husband's family. Franz and his brother, Tokos and them have always raced. His brother still races as well. The father was always into racing. He was their mechanic.
It's in the blood. So we started since 5 years old. I built him a small Ninja, and he moved up all the classes up to now to the 1600. So my mission next year to put him in a national record. The people around us is like home friends for us. We welcome them cars, we build them for them, help him to get it on the track, but on the track, no friends. And that make him faster, make us faster, so to push each other.
I'm Edwin Grobelaar. My son is driving in a 60/60 class at Mahem Raceway, so we're here testing the car. To start with, you need to have a lot of patience. And yeah, with the car itself, there's some standards that we need to follow and to make sure they are safe in the cars.
For me, it's just for the love of the sport, and because my dad loves it, I love it also. It's the thing of us we do together, and I enjoy it very much. It's just, I love it more than anything in the world.
It's tough competition with Franz himself, and there's obviously a lot of other guys in the 1660 class, which is also a tough competition. As you can see, they've worked in the background, fixing, trying to prepare to make sure that there's a challenge for each other tomorrow.
This is an Opel Tigra. They call it a space frame. There's a 1600cc class, this, and all different classes that run on all the same tires, 15-inch wheels. And like this specific car got a Golf, a Nissan engine in. And there's an A15, so you're not allowed to seat 1600cc's on it. And it's nice competitive class. Now I'm going to show you the engine. Like this, the shocks on this car is road-going shocks we are only allowed to use to get the cost down and make it for everybody affordable to race this class. To maintain it, not a lot. I would say your budget has to be like 5,000 a month for tires and fuel and all that kind of stuff to get it possible to build it. 200,000 minimum to build this specific car. So it takes time and effort.
All the stuff on the car is the sponsors, my own design, my car number, my name, and all the people who helped me build this car to get it up and down. And there on the side, my girlfriend's name, and Love Design, who designed the car and painted it. I love this car with my whole heart.
The car's handling is not perfect tonight, so we struggle a bit in I think this shock is not good, so we're gonna strip it now. Just mark it and strip it and just see if it's still fine. But yeah, we will get it right. Tomorrow night's racing, not tonight, so we will get it there. Thanks for coming to Miami and join us next time and film us and make our sport bigger.